Sorry, madam. I have problem with my camera also.
Alright. So Fadil Sobri dah ada. Ahmad Sofi tak ada lagi kan? Okey, Teguh Muhammad dah ada. Kemudian masalah problem kamera
Saya tak boleh masuk, madam. Sofi.
tak boleh masuk juga.
Tak tahu kenapa.
Mana tu?
Dia cakap suruh madam ejah. Ejah apa?
Maksud saya macam mana?
Tak tahu, tengok. Tengok phone dia.
Okey, Azman Najmi ada. Khairuddin tak boleh masuk, tak boleh keluarkan muka. Pak Fitra tak boleh tunjuk muka juga. Ahmad Hanafi tak ada muka.
Sekejap. Buka madam. PC tak ada ni. Kena buka kat phone. Sekejap.
Okey, partisipan baru 33 orang. So kita tunggu 5 minit lagi. Ataupun you nak start dah? Okey, kalau Sofi dia tak masuk, so ahli group kena backup dia lah.
Oh, tu boleh lah cakap.
So masalah
Tu masuk lah.
internet masuk dah? Okey, Sofi ni ke?
Sofi, tu, Razali.
Sofi Razali.
Razali nama dia. Tak boleh buka.
Okey, 3 orang, 2 orang je boleh show pictures. So you nak start share. Boleh
Atas medium lah. Medium nak tunggu ke nak start terus?
start.
Sofi dah masuk belum?
Masuk.
Tak, sebab saya ada kelas pula dalam pukul 3 nanti. So takut kita tak sempat kan untuk you buat presentation. So you
Boleh start lah.
sharekan you punya slide. Okey, siapa nak present dulu? Fadil nak present dulu ke?
Saya Khairuddin.
Tak.
Okey,
Okay. Can you share your slide?
Amri.
Okay.
Dah.
Ni gambar dulu ni. Okey.
Okey. Boleh start madam?
Sekejap, saya nak stop video saya sekejap. Okay, so bolehlah. Saya record je.
Okey.
Okay, can you start now?
Okay, madam.
Alright.
Okay. Hi, Assalamualaikum and good afternoon. We are from Group 6. We'll be presenting about Lean Management and Six Sigma. Our group consists of 8 members. I'm Muhammad Khairuddin with metric number 050597. We'll start off the presentation with introduction. Next slide. Okay, firstly, what is Lean? Lean is a systematic approach to reduce or eliminate activities that don't add value to the process. It emphasizes removing wasteful steps in a process and taking the only value-added step. The Lean method ensures high quality and customer satisfaction. Next, what is Six Sigma? Six Sigma is a data-driven problem-solving methodology. The focus is on process variation and emphasis is given to the customer satisfaction. Continuous process improvement with low defect is the goal of this method. Then, what is Lean Six Sigma? Lean Six Sigma is fact-based, data-driven philosophy of improvement that value defect prevention over defect detection. It drives customer satisfaction and bottom line result by reducing variation, waste, and cycle time, while promoting the use of work standardization and flow, thereby creating a competitive advantage. It applies anywhere variation and waste exist, and every employee should be involved. Lean Six Sigma combines the strategies of Lean and Six Sigma. Next slide. Lean help in reducing process cycle time, improving product or service delivery time, reducing or eliminating the chance of defect generation, reducing the inventory level and optimizing resource for key improvement among others. There are five principles of Lean. Identify your customer and what they value. Map the value stream. Create flow to the customer. Establish pool based on customer demand. And seek continuous improvement. Okay, for the next slide, my friend Muhammad Faik will explain further.
Okay, my name is Tengku Faik bin Fahmi. My monology 050-250. Okay, I'm going to explain about the use of the MIC framework to solve the sigma problem. For the D, it's defined. For the M, is measure. A for analyze. I for improve. And C for control. For the D, define the problem and the objective. For measure, what do we need to do to improve? We can measure this. A for analyze the process, the 5 factor of influence. I improve, identify and implement improvement. C control, assume that the improvement will sustain. Next slide. Lean Six Sigma combine the ability to learn Lean and Six Sigma. Lean principle help to reduce or eliminate process wasted. Six Sigma focus on variations, reduction in process. Thereby, the principle of Lean Six Sigma help to improve the effectiveness and quality of the process. Lean focus on wasted elimination process support Six Sigma quality. Wasted elimination and eliminate and abilities to make a defect. For the Lean, the goal is improve process performed through wasted elimination and cycle time reduction. Focus based on action method implement Lean tools such as classic events, value stream mapping, 5S, TPM, and so on. And for development, replacing infrastructure. So for the Lean is speed, flow, and cost. For the Six Sigma goal, improve process performance in relation to what is desired to the customer. For analyzing method used to the MIC method and quality photo. For development, explicit infrastructure, customer certification, Six Sigma quality support links, less reward mean work faster cycle time. For me, we continue with Pavitra for the next session.
Pevi, buka mic.
Saya tak dengar lah, saya tak dengar.
Pevitra buka.
Dengar.
Okay.
Sekejap, madam. Maybe Pavitra has some problem.
I can't hear you.
Hello?
Sekejap, Mei.
Hello?
Hello,
Hello,
I can.
Hello? Can you all hear? Sorry. I
Yes.
had line problem.
Okay.
I just continue. Hi, my name is Pavitra. Matrix number 9950. My choose 3 articles. Article number 1 is titled The Evolution of Lean Six Sigma. And article number 2 is the implementation of Lean Six Sigma framework to enhance operational performance in an MRO facility. The next article will be leadership that facilitate the successful implementation of Lean Six Sigma. For all the three articles, we have divided into several segments. The first segment will be the purpose of all the three articles. For the first article, which is titled The Evolution of Lean Six Sigma, the main purpose will be to examining the integration of Lean principles with Six Sigma methodology as a coherent approach to continuous improvement and provides a conceptual model for their successful integration. For the second article, the implementation of a Lean Six Sigma framework to enhance operational framework in an MRO facility. The first purpose for this article will be implementation of an integrated Lean Six Sigma framework and outlines how it was used to identify the factors that affects mainly the support chain performance in the aerospace maintenance repair in the facility. Secondly, will be to outline the application and measures the effectiveness of the integrated LSS framework through its ability to achieve new enhanced performance. For the third article, the main purpose will be to identify leadership styles from the literature that can facilitate Lean Six Sigma implementation. And the second purpose will be leadership styles are as follow: situational, task-oriented, or relation-oriented behavior, transformational, servant, authentic, empowering, and distributed leadership. So now for the next slide, Sophie will continue.
Hello, can madam hear me? Hello,
No.
hello.
Mana tak dengar Sophie?
Okey, boleh kuat sikit tak?
Hello.
Ya, boleh kuat sikit tak?
Maksimum dah ni madam. Hello.
Okay, you just continue.
Okay. Okay. Basically, my part is on the issues and problem. Before that, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Ahmad Saufi. Matrix number 051376. So the issues and the problem that we detect here is for the article 1, there are two. The first one is the practical nature of value stream mapping known as VSM using the paper and pencil approach may limit the amount of detail collected and also detract from the actual system of working. And the second one, the more complex analysis such as simulation modeling can take months to complete, by which time the momentum can be lost or the system has changed, making the model invalid. And for the article 2, which is the second one, is the issue here is to minimize the over usage of the tools and to focus more upon a core set of key tool kit for implementation. The MRO facility, MRO means that maintenance, repair and overhaul facility has seen considerable disruption to its operational build cycle due to poor internal operation, leading to late requests for the components from the supply chain to meet current engine build requirements. And finally, the last article, we identified that the issue here is to eliminate the waste for the operation process and to facilitate production flow in an efficient and effective way. And the second one, to reduce the variation in process through depending on improvement specialists and an organized method to achieve organization goals and to increase customer satisfaction. Okay, I would like to pass up to my friend here, Amri Hanafi. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Ahmad Amir Hanafi bin Fairuz. My matric number is 051365. So here are the findings that our team researched for this article. So for the article number 1, the finding is no standard framework for Lean Six Sigma or its implementation exists. A systematic approach needs to be adopted which optimizes system as a whole, focusing the right strategies in the correct place. The second finding for article number 1 is using software can increase the data that can be represented compared to paper and pencil. It has proved when they have explored the integration of VSM with simulation due to multitude of BSM software is available over the internet. So for the article number 2, the finding is the Lean Six Sigma team also collected primary data over the previous 12 months MRO activity at the facility, and this represented 86 engines. The second one is the data analysis identified that out of a total of 3,733 component reservation made, 867, which is 23% of this, of component were considered late call. For the article number 3, the finding is Lean leadership styles and Lean Six Sigma empirically and or theoretically. The second one is organization are thinking about using Lean Six Sigma, can pay attention to the behaviors and attitudes of the leaders associated to this style. So I will pass to my friend Azma the question.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Azman Najmi bin Muhammad Syam Aziz, metric number 050151. So for article 1, the implication is the change the traditional method to modern method, which is the practical nature is using the paper and pencil, while the modern method is changing it by using the software. Secondly, use IT to monitor production and provide the real-time data and identify downtime, and an effort was made to reduce it. We can see the good result in production and improve team morale. For article 2, the implication is this business can focus on the application of value where required and minimize the waste. This will give a relevant managerial team downtime to innovate existing process and future endeavor through the application of a streamlined value-focused manpower. Secondly, the reduction of the costs in the form of direct labor are required, as well as effort spent undergoing non-value added tasks such as transportation costs within the company in the form of reallocation of modules and hardware, and the total supply chain cost in expediting material driven by the late cost that is required immediately. For Article 3, the relation-oriented behavior helps in creating a culture of continuous improvement that are used in the Lean Six Sigma as a tool to achieve continuous improvement. Last but not least, the distributed leadership relevant to lean manufacturing, since the leaders supposed to receive feedback from followers, and those leaders should improve their performance continuously. So now I will pass to my another group member to present their slide. Thank you.
Hello, hi. My name is Muhammad Fadi Muhammad Sabri. My metric number 051149. Okay, for this suggestion is to solve the problem or issues that may affect the for Article 1, Article 2, and Article 3. For Article 1, okay, the first suggestion is a standard framework for Lean Sigma should exist so that it will be easy to implement. Strategy to implement should be classified so that's right, place and focus. Number 2, evolution of Lean Sigma should be adopted by every business to smoothen large manufacturing operation. Number 3, use advanced technology which is comparable the evaluation of the Lean Sigma, such as change or use the latest software. Number 4, change the culture and nature of the company to give more knowledge and information to the employee for improve their job quality. Suggestion for solve the issue or problem for Article 2. Number 1, analyze the positive and negative context to allow or discontinue the operation of Lean Six Sigma. Number 2, conduct a study to identify the implementation of a Lean Six Sigma framework to enhance operational performance in different facilities. Number 3, to model operation strategies in various landscape and to evaluate their impact or operational performance and other measurement. Okay, for Article 3, the suggestion is to model leadership style in various settings and to evaluate their impact on operational performance and other metrics. Number 2, identify the desirable and undesirable context for enabling or inhibit Lean Six Sigma operation. And the last one for suggestion for Article 3 is conduct a study to identify leadership difference at different hierarchy level and industry. So next we
Alright, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Syamil Fahmi Syaidi. My metric number 049923. Okay, today I will explain about the conclusion for three article. Okay, for article 1, it can be seen that the Six Sigma business enhancement theory of the lean thinking and the more scientific enhancement paradigm have had success in a wide variety of industries. Okay, second, for article 1, the combination of lean thinking and Six Sigma can potentially represent an especially powerful tool. Alright, for article 2, the conclusion is the strong leadership is the main component in encourage this project forward and it overcome tension around human resources. Other than that, the knowledgeable, motivate and experienced staff are very popular to be included in both LSSS enhancement team and for their production related work. Okay, second, for the Article 2 conclusion, the firm was able to move toward its lean target of ensuring of a 62-day OTR was consistently met by focusing also on the variability of each target measure. Okay, for the last article, the conclusion is the SIG leadership style were found, namely situational, task-oriented or relation-oriented behavior, transformational, servant, authentic, empowering and distribute leadership, and they can adapt style and behavior that suitable to the organization content. Okay, last, the overlap between the leadership style and lean, although there have been major variation in effectiveness and some style have a negative impact. Alright, I think that's all from our group 6.
Okay, so maybe you have the suggestion ataupun question to others.
Yes, madam. Sophie will ask the
You
question.
can ask this question to others.
Wait.
Hello. Hello, can I ask question?
Yes.
Okay. Wait. I think I want to choose my classmate. I would like to call Anis Izzati. Can I hear Anis Izzati voice now? Hello.
Yeah, I am.
Okay, good. Okay, Anis Izzati, can I ask you just a simple question? I think just to test your focus. What's the definition of the Six Sigma?
Okay, Six Sigma.
Yes, you can take your time. Don't worry.
Okay. Six Sigma is a approach that provide organizations tools to improve the capability of their business process. It increase in performance and decrease in process variation help lead to defect reduction and improve in profit. Betul ke? Betul kan?
Yeah, I think it's a bit similar with what our presentation, but according to our presentation, it is a data-driven problem-solving methodology, but it's still acceptable. Next, I would like to ask another friend here. Wait, I think first. How about Shafi'i? Can Shafi'i open the mic?
hello.
Okay, Shafi'i. Okay, let me think first what to ask. Okay, Shafi'i, can you tell me the 5 principles of Lean? You can take your time, no worries. No pressure.
Okay, the 5 principles of Lean.
Yes.
First is identify your customer and what they value. Second, map the value stream. Third, create flow to the customer. 4, establish pool based on customer demand. 5, seek continuous improvement. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. That's good. Thank you, Shafi'i. Okay, I think I will finish our discussion here. That's all from us today. Thank you for watching and listening.
Okay,
Thank
but
you.
I have a few questions. Hello, can you
Hello.
hear me?
Yes.
Okay, so for the Article 2 and Article 3, what kind of business? What they are doing? Article 2. Is it they mention or not?
For Article 3, the report not mention what business they do.
Okay, but what about the Article 2? Is it from which country ni? Article 1 and Article 2 and 3 ni? Ada they mention tak?
Tak ada sini madam. Cakap leadership je. Yang 3 lah. Yang 1 and 2 tak tahu lah.
Sebab yang artikel 1 tu macam just introduction je. Sebab the article 2, they mention the issue here. Article 2, they mention that they want to minimize the overuse of tools. Overuse of tools tu. They want to minimize the overuse of tools. And then they want to score the set of the key tools for the implementations. That means by using the SIS and link management, they want to try the using of the loose tool, isn't it? This is the problem. So they try to use the link management and schema, whether the problem to become overcome. And then what the Article 3 is mentioned that they want to eliminate waste for the operation process. That means for the operation process, that means we can identify that the business is for the manufacturing company, isn't it? And then there is and sometimes also they want to reduce the variation of the process through depending on improvement specialized. That means Article 2 more on kepada they want to save about the using the asset lah. And then the Article 2 more or less more on kepada the operations, isn't it? Betul tak? So here I cannot see that is it there are success or not. They have the aim, isn't it? They have the problem, kan? Can you hear me or not?
Yes, madam. For Article 2, it's based on an aerospace machinery manufacturing company. But until the end, they just gave us like few recommendations, but they couldn't success by they couldn't find the proper way until the end.
Yes, because they mention here that their target is to achieve 60 days of the OTR. What the definition of the OTR? This their target for the Article 2. Can you show your slide now? The findings.
Yes, wait.
Sure whether they success or not, but this one is not mentioned. But just the conclusion, the suggestion is not mentioned whether they success or not. Okay, sebab finding ni, this one is the collected collected primary data ni, dia collect data kan for the 2 month, and then dia identify, and then I can see the result I can't see the result. They mention yang you bagi ni data saja The issue is very good, apa yang dia nak buat, tapi I can't see the result Ada dimension ke tidak?
Maksudnya untuk artikel tu ke madam?
Artikel 2 dengan artikel 3, dua-dua tak ada tu result dia tu.
Oh, ya.
The implication ni contohnya dia nak, contoh artikel 2, the implication ni dia nak fokus untuk minimize waste kan, benda-benda tu je lah, tapi contoh satu lagi dia nak reduction of cost kan, dari segi direct labor dia tu. We not sure whether dia success or not. Ataupun dia masih dalam peringkat apa ni. Sebab daripada your conclusion, dia kata the firm was able to move toward its lean target of ensuring 62 days OTR was consistently. By focusing also on, apa benda ni? Apa yang dia buat ni? Dia ada bagi tahu tak?
Madam?
Yes. That means we
Untuk
yes. That means
okay,
we
sekarang ni
okay, continue.
okay. Untuk artikel 3 tu dia dalam proses lagi untuk identify leadership dalam organisation. Walaupun benda-benda ni dah dilaksanakan, tapi ada limitation dalam segi spesifik, maknanya dari segi perkara tu. Maksudnya untuk artikel 3 ni dalam proses lagi tak ada full result.
Dia tak ada full result sebab isu dia ada. Isu dia ada kan. Isu dia contoh 1 tu dia nak minimize tools. Yang 2, yang 3 tu dia nak eliminate waste. Lepas tu dia using, dia guna macam mana dia nak, you know, apa method yang dia guna tu untuk dia overcome that issue tu. Of course dalam tu dalam Six Sigma kan, Lean and Six Sigma. Lean and Six Sigma tu contohnya the overall, the practices saja. Dalam practice apa yang tools yang dia guna tu. Apa benda yang digunakan supaya dia capai isu dia tu kan, dia nak overcome the issue tu. But it's not mentioned here Contohnya kalau artikel 2 tu dia ada target dia kan, isu dia ni, dan target dia lah untuk yang 62 days of OTR tu. I'm not sure what the meaning of the 60 day of the OTR. You jumpa tak? Tak ada Sebab normally benda tu duduk dekat findings sama ada dibuat dalam bentuk dalam bentuk apa ni dalam bentuk table ataupun carta apa-apa, biasanya dia akan mention kat situ lah. Contohnya artikel tu, dia kata dia nak eliminate CTQ problem ni and then nak capai ke target dia OTR 62 days ni. I'm not sure what the definition of the OTR 62 day ni. This is the target dia . Artikel tu is very interesting but I'm not sure the final result . Okay, they have the issue. Artikel tu they have the issue here and then they have the target. It's very important. They have the issue and they have the target. So how they want to achieve that target tu? Tu nak tahu tu by using the Lean Six Sigma.
Madam, actually for article 2, the OTR is for like the on the road, like when they process the machine to use it on the road, the engine. So for 108 days, they wanted to simplify it to 62 days. That was the targeted span of time.
The issue, the issue is to minimize issue dia nak minimize the overuse . That mean dalam in manufacturing company, for example for the fixed asset plant and machinery, maybe they use a lot of tools . So they are trying to minimize the overuse of tool and then they can reduce the cost lah. And then from the issue tu, their target to achieve, okay, their target to achieve 62 ni yang you buat kan. Mana tak hilang dah. Yang 62 days ni. OTR tu target to achieve 62 days of apa ni? OTR ni. Okay. Dia bagi tahu tak cara nak capai tu? Jumpa tak? Okay, artikel tu artikel 3 tu concern more on kepada human resource normally more concern of the labours. Artikel 3, your artikel 3.
Madam,
Yes.
dalam report ni dia kata untuk solve problem dalam organisation tu dia menggunakan relation oriented behaviour. It's about time spent.
That is the framework dia. Tak ada
Tu saya dah tengok bahagian result ni memang tak ada result yang orang kata yang full, maksudnya yang finalize result.
Tak ada dia tak mention situ.
Dia tak mention.
Okay, never mind, tak apalah. So sebab suggestion ni suggestion ni bukan dia punya findings Suggest ni apa yang dia suggest nak buat lah. Dia suggest pada company tak nak buat apa. Okay, so never mind. Tapi kalau tu you boleh, kalau untuk masuk yang dalam report tu, kalau boleh cari sikit lah. Kalau ada contohnya graph ke apa tu, finding tu you masuk dalam report you nanti lah. Okay.
Okay, baik.
Sebab apa yang kita nak tahu, bila kita dah tahu isu, nak tahu finding dia kan, sama ada dia sukses ke tidak, target dia macam mana, apa yang dia target kan. Dia target tu based on pada isu lah, maybe what the method yang dia orang guna kan. Itu apa yang kita nak tahu daripada articles tu lah. Okay, so kalau ada contohnya dia ada letakkan dia punya graph ke apa, dia punya findings dia tu, you masukkan dalam report nantilah. Sebab saya tak baca kalau you bagi artikel tu, saya boleh tengok nantilah. Dan nanti kalau report apa letak artikel
Ada table
Okay,
je
baik.
artikel letak tu table tu.
Okay, ada table, you masuk table nanti untuk report awak. Okay. And then kalau boleh dekat isu tu you highlight sikit a few of the issue. Okay. So ada soalan tak?
Untuk full based on presentation ni maksudnya kena more segi
Your presentation is very good lah. Good lah kan? Tapi macam ada part tu tak apa-apa nak jelas kan. Kalau macam contoh artikel yang more on interesting, that mean dia bagi tahu yang failure ke macam successful tu, kita boleh bezakan contoh satu artikel about the failure, satu artikel about the successful of the lean manufacturing kan, lean Six Sigma tu. Dan macam mana dia implement the Six Sigma untuk improve dia target ataupun to overcome the issue tu. Maybe it's quite
Interesting.
yes. But the dua-dua yang artikel 1 tu is never mind, tak ada benda pun. Yang artikel 2, 3 tu kita tak tahu the result ni, the actual result. Tak tahu sama ada dia berjaya ke tak berjaya ke, it not mentions there lah. So kita tak boleh nak compare lah. Tak boleh nak compare lah. Alright.
Dia cakap dia pakai tu. Pakai cara tu je. Result tak beritahu.
Dia pakai tu dia sukses ke tidak.
Dia tak bagi tahu langsung.
Tak bagi tahu. Itulah kan. Tapi tak apa. So it's up to your group lah. Okay, you want to continue with the article also can. So sebab result-result dua-dua tu dia tak pasti kan. Maksud dia masih lagi still going on lah. So tahun bila artikel ni? 2000 berapa ni?
Yep.
Tahun bila artikel ni?
Yang artikel nombor 3 2020.
Oh, yang baru sangat lah.
Ogos.
Okay, artikel 2.
Ni bulan 18 artikel 2.
Okay, never mind. Okay, nanti dia share. Ada yang last year tu dia dapat yang Lean Sigma tu, dia orang memang guna Lean Sigma tu dalam industri hospital. That mean the result is very good lah daripada ni, daripada tu kita nampak terang tu, saya boleh share artikel tu lah, very good yang tu lah, yang last year punya. It's very good lah. So saya boleh share nanti dalam e-clip. So never mind lah, it's very good presentation. And also you have the question asked to the audience. And kalau tak ada apa-apa, kalau tak ada soalan ke apa, so kita boleh berhenti setakat ni kan? Ada soalan tak yang lain? Dan report tu buat tu sikit lah maybe. So kalau tak ada soalan, kita berhenti setakat ni lah. Nanti saya share satu ni lah yang last year punya pasal Lean and Six Sigma tu. Okay. Ada soalan grup ni? Kalau tak ada soalan, setakat ni lah.
Tak ada lah.
Tak Tak ada soalan.
Tak ada.
Tak ada. So tak ada, kita berhenti setakat ni lah. Okay, so nanti report awak buat binding and then siapkan sekali dengan artikel awak tu, boleh hantar by hand kat saya pun tak apa. Saya dah dapat satu ni yang hantar by hand ya.
Kat office lah hantar.
Ya, hantar kat office.
Okay.
Tak ada tu pun letak je lah dekat luar bilik saya tu kan.
Okay.
Okay, so thank you semua. Alright, so see you next class. Assalamualaikum.
Salam.